Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Crazy Blind Tech Podcast. I am here with Andrew today, and we are going to be showing you an amazing app that helps us code our websites very, very easily.
Indeed.
Yeah, it's really awesome, guys. I like this app. I like this app a lot. I mean, it's really, really nice. So we're going to be kind of showing you things, how to add things, and how to adjust things. I'm going to have Andrew show you how to create a new site. And we're going to have him do the first 5 elements and explain what they are, and then I'll do the next 5, and then we'll move on from there. So that's how we're going to do this.
Alright, so I'm already working on my site, so let me get over here.
Sunrise Waterfall, a website Sunrise will create. Please enter the text of your some text. Create.
Here.
Please enter the text of your some text. Create.
I'll just
Success.
create
Element added
that
successfully.
now.
Sunrise Waterfall, a website
Okay,
building tool. I made the text.
I'm
Add
going to get out of
144.
Sunrise.
So, again, this
Search
is
SU.
made by a guy named Nathan Tech, who
Sunrise
is
Waterfall, a website.
amazing, by the way. A lot of his tools are really
Yes.
helpful. Now, if only he could make something like this for, like, something like this for, Mac, or something that lets you code, like, NVDA add-ons or something. That would be really cool.
Oh, yes. That would. Okay, so we're in the Sunrise Waterfall application, and there is the following option.
Low HTML project 1 of 8. Low HTML project 2 of 8. New documentation project 3 of 8. Low documentation project 4 of 8. Markdown editor 5 of 8. Settings 6 of 8. Change encoding 7 of 8. Exit 8 of 8.
Okay,
Change setting. Low
so I'm
new
going to go back up here.
new HTML project.
I'm going to show you how to make a new project, so enter a new
Enter the name
project.
of the new project or leave blank to go back. Blank.
So I'm going to call this
Just call it, like, tutorial
Demo
test or demo.
Site.
Yeah, that works.
Create. Page picker. New page 1 of 8.
Yeah. Okay, so we have the following options now.
Import page. New page 1 of 8. Import page. 2 of 8. Generate sitemap 3 of 8. Manage presets. 4 of 8. Delete project 5 of 8.
Ooh, that's a new feature.
Run the link checker. 6 of 8. Export project 7 of 8. Back 8 of 8.
Generate sitemap.
New page not
Yeah, I
selected.
didn't see that
Import page.
before.
New page 1 of 8.
I gotta update my Sunrise Waterfall. It's a little out of date, but not by much.
Careful, that might break your site. That's why I'm making a new one.
Import new page.
Anyway, so if we click on new page,
Enter the name of the new page or leave blank to go back. Blank.
so let's call this.
So this is what you will link to. So say you wanted to make a
Home
link, it would be https://domain/home.html. Now, if you want,
Indeed.
User Matthew 2468. User Matthew 2468.
that's on my other server. Don't worry.
User Matthew
about that.
2468. Click on Matthew 2468. On Mac. Mac.
Sorry, guys. We have our TT comms blathering
Andrew
on.
Admin Matthew 24. Andrew Admin Matthew 2468.
Ah!
Oh my. Okay.
This podcast is meant to be funny and silly, and it doesn't really matter if we
2468.
screw up, so it's fine. Anyways, so,
Yeah.
sorry guys.
Andrew
So
Matthew 20.
you have to call it index.html if you want it to be the main page, but we just called it home for this example.
Yep. So basically, when you upload these to your web server or whatever, it will be called home.html. So you're gonna have to have somebody rename it to index.html. But if you have access to it, this delay is throwing me. Okay. If you have access to it, you can change the name. Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we just
So-
called it home for this
Let's
example.
click on home.
Yeah, so we're gonna click
Yeah.
on this, and then we'll
Select
get
action.
some new options.
Remove element. Add elements 1 of 8. Remove elements 2 of 8. Reorder elements 3 of 8. View current list of elements 4 of 8. View page in browser 5 of 8. Delete page 6 of 8.
So that is one nice thing is you can view page.
Back 8 of 8.
You can view page in browser, so you can make sure everything looks correct. Which is very nice.
So let's add an
Remove elements. Add
element.
element. Add an element. Title 1 of 44.
So I'm gonna add something like A title, yeah.
So the title, what a title is
Example.
so what the title is
Yeah.
going to do, it is not going to change the name of the HTML file. What a title is basically going to do is it's going to make the tab show up as a certain name. So you know when you have a tab or you cycle to a Google Chrome tab, it'll say like Blind Electron Home. You know, that's the title. Or it'll say Lightning Tech Home or something like that. In this case, if you alt-tabbed away and alt-tab back, it would say Example Home.
Because why the frick not?
Otherwise, if you don't add a title, it'll call it Untitled, which you don't really want it to do that.
Yeah, you don't really want that.
Success. Element added.
Okay, so we successfully added the element.
Sunrise waterfall.
It's pretty cool. We're gonna put a heading level 1 here, actually.
Author 2 of 44. Keywords 3 of 44.
Author is not very
Ooh, let me
important.
put an author.
Author, I don't really know what that does.
Yeah, authors don't really work.
I don't know
Yeah,
what they
it doesn't
do.
really work.
I don't know what they do at all. But, so we have to go through each element, Andrew, one by one. So you're doing the first 5. So title.
Okay.
We can just ignore author, pretend like it doesn't exist because it doesn't work.
Title 1 of author 2 of 44.
Yeah, okay. Title,
Keywords 3 of 44.
keywords. This is what will
So why don't you
help
try
the person
adding
search
a
for your
keywords?
website.
Why don't you try adding some
Author 2.
keywords?
Keywords 3 of 44. Please enter the text of your keywords. Blank.
Yeah.
Create. Please enter the text of your keywords. Blank.
How about
E,
examples?
A, E,
Whoops.
E, X, A, M, E, L, E, S.
Do I separate these by commas? I don't
No,
think.
I think you do
Space.
new line. Or
Space.
will that?
E, A, M, M, A, E,
I stink at spelling
A, M, L, L,
today.
E, L, E, S. Double E, E, S, I, E, E. S, O, M, E, T, H, I, N, E. Create. Please enter the text of your keywords. Selected example section plus what citizen obtain.
Oops!
E, X, A,
Yeah, well, that
M, E,
didn't-
L, E, S, E, X. A, M, P, M, A,
Hang on.
X, E, S,
Oh,
E,
that's...
S. Space,
Whatever.
space,
You
E,
can just
space, S,
add
E,
that.
S, A, M, P,
It
L,
doesn't really matter.
E, M, A, X, E, S, E, S, space, E, space, E, space, E,
Hang on.
space, E, L, E, space, S, E, X, A, M.
Okay,
Create.
we're gonna...
Success.
Add
Element
these.
added successful. Sunrise water.
Okay. So we have, like, messed up keywords.
Yep.
And... Okay.
Author 2 of 44. Keywords 3 of page description 4 of 44.
Page description. Let's. This is what will show up when you search for it. It's gonna be like blah 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 below
Yeah.
the thing. So let's put page
enter the text of your page.
description.
So just put like this is an
A
example of
place
W-A-E-R-E,
where
where Y-O-U,
you
U, space, I-N-D, I, space, E,
find
X, A, M, P, L, E, S.
examples.
Create. Success. L sunrise.
Okay, it's added. And then
So we're not
Sorry
actually
for
going to be
that
able to show you guys
background
this
noise.
on a web server, but we will show you what the pages look
I can
like.
view it in the grab. Yep. All right. So.
Author 2 of 44. Keyword page description mail form 5 of 44.
Mail form. This is really interesting.
We're not going to go over that.
Pages mail form 5 of 44.
I'll go over that later. We're not going to go over that now because it'll take up too much time.
An audio file 6 of 44.
Yeah. Oh, you can add an audio file. You had to add a
second.
specified
One sec,
path to an audio file, but
Yeah, I'm going on a church retreat. So.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
All right. Well, see you then, dude.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah. Sorry, I'll see you later.
You forget to mention that or something? All right. Love you too, dude. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. My brother's leaving for a few days. So, anyway, he's going on a church retreat thing.
alright. Should I demo an
An
Audio
well,
file?
you can. You just have to do C:\\/
Yeah, let's
users
see.
/ blind blah, 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 to get it to work because it's not on a web server.
Mail form 5 audio file 6 of 44. Block code 7
So
audio file 6 of
normally
44.
you do
Enter the device ID rock,
website.
MP3 raw,
See,
blank.
guys, normally This part you would normally type http://domain/audio file path, but since we're not putting this on a web server, he's going to do c:\users/blind/ stuff.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Okay.
it will not.
Play automatically. Not checked. Enter a file name. Make sure to include the file. Play enter the file
Okay,
name.
so for this, I think I enter
MP3,
MP3 because that's what I want to play.
Play enter a file
And then I
name.
go
Make sure to
to-
include
And then I type in
C
C
colon
colon
/U
backslash
S E R
users
S users
backslash
L I N D line
backslash
O T U M E
documents.
N E
Actually, no. I wanted to play something, but that's gonna be. How about Windows backslash media? Oh, then I need to
Play on
change
the file
it to
type
dot
selection
log.
removed.
Hang on.
W A V. Play on the enter file name. Make sure to include the file extension.mp3.
Your Google Chrome won't have the access to the Windows folder. You have to do something in your user folder.
Sorry about this, guys.
Run type the name of a program.
So, say I want to play. Let me go to my documents folder.
Super script 2 left page set Billboards archive size folder previous E selected Billboards archive E I L L space W R T R U W space W
Hang on, let me put.
Gotta get rid of those spaces.
line L line W U R T Z space A
Yeah.
space A space
Because you
line,
cannot
line,
have spaces in
A, R, T,
links.
E, line.
That is not a limitation of Sunrise
Yeah.
Waterfall. That is a
Folder
limitation
new
of
section
web
can be completed because the folder or
development.
file is open in another program. Close the folder or file and try again. Billboards archive date created 2/13/2021 12:50 p.m.
Oh, it's in use by my.
Folder use the action. Folder use the action can be
By your
canceled.
stupid
Yes, I know.
soundboard.
Explore super Bill underscore words underscore
Yeah.
E land.
How
Billboards
about?
archive. Devoso song. Fonties media downloader. Size. Folder. Python crap. Size. Reaper media. Size. Python Fonties media. Billboards. Oh, Billboards archive. Home. Size. Folder. Billboards. Home. Size. Folder. Attributes. Here comes the sun selected. Fonties media.
Well, what the frick am I supposed to play? We'll save this for later then, because you
Yeah,
probably have a better example.
Because I
that you can
have
actually
audio
play.
files and I have them in folders with no spaces. So,
LOL. Okay.
so we'll
Sunrise
save that
Waterfall.
for
Select
later.
building
We're
tool.
just going to
Select
go over
sunrise
a
waterfall.
few
Select building tool.
random
Select edit.
elements,
Enter
guys.
file
We're
name.
not
Make
going to
sure
go
to
over every
add.
single
Enter the
element.
file type rock. Play automatic. Enter a file name. Add. Enter the file type rock. Play on enter a file name. Add.
Yeah.
Because if we
Success.
do, we
Element
could be
added
here a
successfully.
while.
Okay.
Oh, apparently it was.
Added, but
Sunrise
you
Waterfall.
might want to remove
Successful.
that.
Author 2 of 44.
Well, now we can show them how to remove an element, because we don't want to have
View
them
page,
there.
page 6 of 8. View page in browser 5. View current list of every order elements 3 of 8. Remove elements 2 of 8.
Yep.
Cal,
So you go to
2009.
remove elements.
Remove an element. Keywords. Example page description. A place where you'll find an audio file. Page keywords. Examples X plus 1 citizen 2 of 5. Page description. An audio file.
Those are
Back 5 of 5.
some
An audio file.
interesting keywords.
Remove an element. Title.
So you
Home.
just press
Example 1 of 4.
enter
Keywords.
on the
Type.
thing, and there you go.
Keyword. Page type.
It's gone.
Select an action. Add elements 1 of 8.
Yep.
So,
Okay.
one
so,
thing Sunrise
I know.
Waterfall
Add
will
element. Title
do,
144.
and I'm going to explain this really quick, is you will have an HTML and an IPW file. Do not
Cal 2009.
upload the
Cal 2009.
IPW file to your web server.
Yes, and because that is just a Sunrise Waterfall project file.
Yes. That's how it memorizes what
So
you've
normal
added
to
and
Author 240.
things.
Oh, hang on. I gotta let my dog in. Anyway, the next element I am going to do, guys, is a heading level 1.
Once he gets back from doing that.
So basically, it'll just be a heading level 1, like a normal website. I don't know. Sorry about that. Okay.
And then we'll show you.
So yeah, we're gonna be,
I'm also gonna show you sort of how my website is coded within Sunrise, because I have my website there, and I'll show you how some of it is coded into.
Alright. So, let's add a heading level 1.
Page heading level 114 of 4. Please enter the text.
We'll
All
make
right,
it
you
say...
keep screwing around with different
Hello?
elements. I need to
Oh.
go to the bathroom, so
Space. Double E. L.
you keep
O, F,
showing
E,
them a
dot.
couple more
Alright.
examples. I'll be back.
Create. Success. Sunrise
Alright.
Waterfall.
Okay, so this heading level 1 I just added is hello, welcome. So, then I'm going to add a some text element.
S small text 30 of 44. S some text 31. Please enter the text of your
And I'm going to make it say,
H.
hi.
Hi. Space. W E L T O
Welcome
M E welcome space O
to
2 T H I S
this
space A E X A M P L E example space O F L space S U N R I S E sunrise space W A T E R F A L L Creek success sunrise walk.
Okay, so we got that added. I'm pretty sure I only have one more element to previous.
L line break
So I'm
25 to
just
44.
gonna
L line rule
go.
26 of L link 27 to 44.
I will show you how to add a link. So we're just gonna make this link go to https://www.youtube.com. Sorry, the delay is like friggin'
Please enter the text of this
messing me
link.
up.
Please enter the web URL or file name, including extension that this link should go to. Blank.
Okay, so we're gonna type
https://
whoops.
/ it's read only edit. It's 1830 YouTube.com. Please enter the web URL or file name, including extension that this link should go to. Select the https://www.youtube.com. Please enter the text of the
Okay,
link.
and we're gonna type for the link title
random space
example
example space
link
LINK space TO2 space YOUE. Make this a download link. Not checked.
Should we make it?
Create.
No.
Success. Element added. Sunrise waterfall.
Okay. So, let's
Back not selected 44.
go out of
44.
this element
Select an
screen
action. Add.
because I'm pretty sure I added my share of elements.
Remove elements. Reorder view for view
And
page
then
and
we
browser file name.
go view page and browser. So, browser? What? Browser. Okay. So we're gonna view the page and browser.
Question. Would you like to include attribution at the bottom of your pages? Yes, Alt plus Y. No, Alt plus N. Yes, Alt
Sure.
plus Sunrise Waterfall. A website building tool. By Nathan Tech. Home. Example. Google Chrome. Home. Example. Heading level 1. Welcome. Hi. Welcome to this example of Sunrise Waterfall. Visit link random example link to Yahoo. Block built with fans using link Sunrise Waterfall by link Nathan Tech.
Oops. Hang on. Let me fix something.
Sunrise Waterfall. Remove elements 2 of 8.
I need
Remove an
to
element.
fix a.
Keyword page. Head some text. Link. HTTP some text. Hi. Welcome to this example of Sunrise Waterfall 5 of 7. Heading level 1 some text. Link. Back 7 of 7. Link. HTTPS. Back 7. Select an action.
Weird.
Remove element. Add elements 1 of 8. Remove element. View for view page and browser 5 of 8.
Page and browser.
Question. Would you like to include attribution at the bottom? No, Alt plus N.
Oh my gosh.
Sunrise Waterfall. A website building. Home. Example. Google Chrome. Random example link to Yahoo visited. Address and search bar. Home. Example. Hi. Welcome to this example of level 1 element. Welcome. Random example link to Yahoo visited. Address and search bar as auto. Home.
Jeez, am I
Example.
making
Home.
that
Home. Example.
many
Hi.
spelling mistakes today? Okay, so this link says random example link to YouTube. So we're gonna click enter on this. And as you can see,
Level 1 element. Welcome. Hi. Welcome to this level 1 element.
level 1, hello and welcome. That's supposed to be it. And then also.
Hi. Welcome to this example of Sunrise Waterfall. Visited random example link to Yahoo.
Okay, so if we click enter,
Random example link to Yahoo visited.
should.
YouTube. Clickable. Banner landmark. Clickable.
Yep, it does. So that is my. Let me count the elements I added. This title, description, keyword. Oh, shoot, I accidentally did 6. Freak. Anyway, but yeah, that is how you do an example link and text and heading level 1. So we're gonna wait for Ethan to get back, but in the meantime, I will show you what I have so far on my side,
Page paper.
I guess,
Page 2 import page.
because I don't have
Page
anything
1
else.
Alright, I'm back.
Project list.
Oh, never mind, he's back. So, Ethan, I accidentally did 6 elements. Oops. Because I accidentally did an example link when I was only supposed to do a heading level 1, and that was my last element. Sorry about that.
That's fine. So, you know what? I think you went through most of the important elements. So what I'm going to do now, since your website's still in progress, we're not going to show that.
S shades of Zoom. S type checkbox. S SBY double S speaker test S SBY double S Sunrise Waterfall checkbox.
We'll show mine. So let me pull up
Sunrise Waterfall. A
Sunrise
website.
here,
Load
guys.
HTML. New document. Load HTML project 2 of 8.
So I'm going to hit this second thing that says load HTML project.
Project list. Blind electron. Back to blind electron index 1 of 2.
And here's blind electron index. I'm not sure why I called it blind electron index. I don't know
Left
why I didn't just call it
B-L-I-N-D-E.
blind electron.
LECTRON
Whatever.
Page
So
paper
I'm
list.
gonna type
BTS
this.
announcements 1 of 20.
So-
Content credits 4. Index 6 of 23.
You see, I have a page called index. That causes Sunrise to name the file index.html, which you need for Apache which is what most people use for web servers to recognize it.
Select an action. List.
So we're going to click that.
Remove elements 2 of 8.
and we're
Reorder
gonna
elements 3 of 8. View current list of elements.
view current list of elements.
Elements list.
Because I don't want to accidentally remove anything.
Heading level title. Blind electron home 1 of 26.
So see, there's a title here.
E-I-E-L-E, E-L-I-N-D, space E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N, space H-O-M-E, right E.
And that says Blind Electron Home. And that's what it'll show up as in Google Chrome or Safari.
Heading level 1. Welcome 2 of 26.
So heading level 1, welcome.
Paragraph. Hey and welcome to my site. On here you can find Mac programs, Windows programs, and more. Enjoy 3 of 26.
So there's that. That says hello, welcome to blah blah. You just heard what it said.
Line break 4 of 26.
You see I have a line break here before I have...
Heading level 2. Main links 5 of 26.
And the reason you want to have line breaks is because screen readers will complain if there is not a line break. So you need to have those there.
Yes.
Or they will not like it. And in general, it just looks horrible if you don't have line breaks.
Line break paragraph. Hey line heading level link https://blindelectron.mixsoftware.html6 of.
So here's the link, blindelectron.dns.org/macsoftware. Now, that is a link that goes to another page, and you see I put .html at the end. You have to do that. And when you make links to other pages, make sure they're not download links. Make sure they aren't, and then it'll work properly.
Line break 7 of
So you
26.
have a line break between
Link
everything.
HT line break link HT line break link
Basically,
HT
just
line
a
break
lot
link
of
HT line
links.
break link HT line break heading level link HT heading level 3. Credits and info 18 of
So
20.
there's another heading.
Link https://blindelectron.
And you see, I combined
Heading
the
link
headings in the link in the first links. The reason you want to do that is because then it'll bring someone to the first link right when they navigate by heading, which is good. If you have a screen reader, it's kind of nice.
Line break 20 of link https line break link HT line break link H back 20.
So
Select an
I'm
action.
going to show you how some of this works in
Remove
action.
every order.
So
View delete page. View page in browser 5 of 8.
I'm going to view
Question.
page in
Dialog. Would you like to
browser.
include attribution at the bottom of your pages? Yes button Alt plus Y. No button Alt plus N.
What is that?
That's to say something like, created by sunrise, waterfall by
Yes button Alt. No button Alt plus N.
No,
Sunrise waterfall. A web frame busy.
I don't
Mozilla
want to
Fire.
do that.
Heading level 1 welcome.
Mac software visited link. Windows software link. My socials link. My music link. My
So you
sound
see
themes.
all
My
these
project. My
links
contact.
now if
Sunrise.
I-
Sunrise waterfall.
Tab away and then...
Blind Electron Home Mozilla Firefox row 1 column 2.
See how it says Blind Electron Home Mozilla Firefox? That's because I put that title there, so it says Blind Electron
Blind
Home.
Electron Home link credits. Link my contact. Link and link my servers. Link my servers. Link my servers. Link and link credits. Link my heading. Link my visit heading blank. Hey and welcome to my site. Heading level 1 welcome. Hey and welcome to my site. On here you can find Mac programs, Windows programs, and more. Enjoy. Blank. Heading level 2 main links. Visited link Mac software. Link Windows software. Link my socials. Link my music. Link my sound schemes. Link my projects. Heading level 3 credits and info. Link my contact page. Link credits. Link announcements. Link my servers. Link my servers. Link my heading. Link my
So there's that. Now,
sunrise waterfall. Remove elements 2 of reorder view.
let's
delete
show
save
one
Mac.
more page. Let's show
Page.
my Mac
CTS 2 of
software
23.
page.
Mix software 7 of 20. Select an action. List. Add elements 1 of 8.
Now you see how I don't have a space there. It says Mix Software
Remove reorder elements 3.
because you can't have
View current list
spaces.
of reorder elements 3 of 8. View current list of elements 4 of 8. View page and view current list of elements 4 of 8. Line break paragraph. On this page you can find Mac software for the blind 1 of 31. Line break 2 of 3 link https://www.appendrive.com. Line break 4 some text. Open Drive is a very good cloud storage platform. Add important line break link http line break 9 of 30 some text. Line break.
So you can see there's some text after each one, and that's another element that it will let you add, and you can just type something in there. Now, that will not be multi-line. You can't do new lines in those kind of text fields. You have to do multi-line text, or it says like multi-line text field or multi-line something. I don't remember, but it does. You do need that. And
Yes.
yeah.
Link http.
And we're actually not going to go over mail forms because they're kind of more complicated. And
Line break some line link line
we're
break.
not here to teach you web development. We're here to show you Sunrise Waterfall.
Some text line link
So-
line some line break line some line link line some text. Select remove view page in browser 5 of 8.
So I'm gonna view
Question.
page
Dialog.
in
Would you like to
browser.
include attribution at the bottom of your pages? Yes button Alt plus no button Alt plus
No.
N. Sunrise waterfall. A website building tool. I made the text list item. Select an action. Frame busy.
It's so annoying.
Untype.
On this page you can find Mac software for the blind. Link Open Drive. Open Drive is there.
So now,
Sunrise Waterfall. A web
you
sunrise
see, I didn't give this page a title. So if I go,
Untitled Mozilla Firefox row 1 column 2.
it says Untitled,
Untitled Mozilla Firefox. TeamSpeak link. TTCom. The team.
which I
Oh,
need to
wow.
fix that.
Good
TeamSpeak is a link. TeamSpeak not free. Open Drive is a link append blank. On this
So
page
you
you
can
can find
see-
blank. Link append. Open Drive is a very good cloud storage platform that I use almost every day. No Open Drive is not free. It is a subscription.
So that note Open Drive is not free thing, I changed that. I ended the first
Open Drive.
part, the some text at
Link append. Open Drive is a very good cloud storage platform that I use almost every day. No.
Open Drive is a good platform that I use almost every day, and I did important text, which will be like big in your face if you're a sighted person. It will actually show up there, and it'll be really bold and big, and it
Link append blank.
will show.
Link append. Open not free. Link TeamSpeak. Not free. It is a subscription. Link TeamSpeak.
Yeah.
TeamSpeak is a very good conferencing system with very good audio. Link
What's the
TTCom. The
server
TeamSpeak
called?
command. TTCom is a console program for managing TeamSpeak servers. Link SMC Fan Control. This is an app that you can use to control the fans of non-T2 Max. Visited Link VLC Media Player. VLC is a free open source media player that can play.
So those are the links,
Visited Link VLC Media.
and then
VLC is a free open source.
and now these are downloadable links because they're linking to files that I want people to download. So you have to check the box when you're making a link to say make this a download link, which I'm sure Andrew
Sunrise Waterfall.
showed you when he showed you the link.
And dude,
Yep. So that's the basics of Sunrise Waterfall, and we're not here to give you a full tutorial. We're here to get you started, mostly on all of this stuff.
yes.
So-
And Ethan, can I say something?
Okay. Anyways, guys,
Remove every order. View. Delete page. Save
that's
back.
about it. So I'm
These
gonna
content credits
exit
download.
this,
Protect link back to.
and just quickly
Blind delete. Page media content.
to export your project to the public HTML folder, which is what you want to copy to your web server.
Export project 22 of
You
20.
hit this.
Question. Dialog. Would you like to include attribution at the bottom of your pages? Yes, but no, but no. Plus information. Dialog. The program will now begin to output the project to HTML format. This may take a little while if the project is large. OK button. Some information. Dialog. Project exported successfully. Find and see. User Ethan documents websites being built. Blind electron index public HTML. If you have an index.html web page created, you can just upload the contents of public HTML to a server now. OK button. Sunrise Waterfall. A website built.
And there you go. Now it's exported to that folder.
Project back to.
Now, if you have a
Main
separate
HTML
downloads
upload
folder, you have to copy that separately.
Changing
It
code
will
index to
not
database.
copy
Desktop
that
list.
for you.
Virtual recorder. Virtual pause button. Stop button. Plus S.
Whoops.
Right?
So audio output device. Combo box line 1. Virtual audio cable.
Yeah.
Virtual recorder dialog. Pause button. Stop button. Plus S.
So you can hear what I'm doing. Okay. Anyways, guys, that's basically it for Sunrise Waterfall. Thank you for listening to this podcast, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Hope you have a good day.